Okay, here's question 18 on the non-calculator paper. The first thing I pick up from this question is the star next to the question. So there's quality of written communication marks for this question. So that means we need to make sure we state our workings clearly and we write our answer as a sentence at the end. Let's read the question. Bill uses his van to deliver parcels. For each parcel Bill delivers, there is a fixed charge plus £1 for each mile. A fixed charge plus £1 for each mile. You can use the graph to find the total cost of having a parcel delivered by Bill. Okay. How much is the fixed charge? Well, fixed charge is how much you pay if at the very beginning, no matter what. So the fixed charge in this case is how much you pay no matter what distance they travel to deliver the package. So if the distance was 0, how much are you going to pay? And in this case, looking at the graph, you could see that even before a package leaves or starts moving, you have to pay £10. So that is the fixed charge. The fixed charge is £10. Okay, part B. Before we get there, there's a bit of writing just before. Ed uses the van to deliver parcels. So Ed, somebody else, there was Bill before. Ed uses a van to deliver parcels. For each parcel Ed delivers, it costs £1.50 for each mile. And in his case, there's no fixed charge. Compare the cost of having a parcel delivered by Bill with the cost of having a parcel delivered by Ed. Now, this is a difficult question in a way, right? Because if you've never done something similar to it, it's very difficult to know what to do. And that's why looking at this question, doing this question now will help you in your exam because you've experienced this, you know what to do now. What you need to do is to try to put this information, right, the fact that Ed delivers parcels at a cost of £1.50 for each mile, you need to put that information onto this graph up here. Now there's no fixed charge, so if he's delivering a parcel, right, at 0 distance, the cost is going to be 0, so you're going to start off from this corner here. If he's going to deliver a parcel, and I'm going to pick some nice round numbers here to help me with this. If he's going to deliver a parcel a distance of 20 miles, the cost is £1.50 per mile. So what's 20 times £1.50? 20 times £1.50 is going to be 30. I could pick another round number. I'm going to put a cross there so it's actually clear. If he delivers a parcel 40 miles, 40 times £1.50. £1.50 is the cost that he charges to deliver a parcel. £1.50 per mile. So that's going to be 40 times 1 is 40. 40 times a half is 20. 40 add 20 is 60. So from 40, if I go all the way up to 60, got that there. Now I've got 3 points that I could join up. I know it starts at 0. I know it goes through both of those crosses that I've put there. I'm lining them up perfectly, and I'm going to draw my line all the way through. So the line in pencil is Ed. The line in black is Bill. So how can I compare this? Now, if I look at it, right, where they cross, that means that if Ed or Bill was delivering a package 20 miles, it would cost exactly the same. But if they were delivering a packages for less than 20 miles, Ed, his line is below Bill's line, so that means he is cheaper. And for more than 20 miles, Ed's line is higher than Bill's line, so that means that Ed is more expensive. I need to write that in words in the section below in order to get full marks in this question. So what I need to write is for packages delivered more than 20 miles. Ed is more expensive than Bill. For less than 20 miles, Bill is more expensive. Okay. There's several ways in which you could have gone about this. You could have actually said who was cheaper, or you could have actually described who was more expensive or more cheaper in opposite ways, right? But you need to try to convey that information. There's 3 marks for this. I reckon at least 2 would be for the writing and the explanation, and 1 would be for showing the graph, showing the working and using that graph information. So make sure you get that, make sure you get all the marks, and take your time with this question.